You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. This is also the name of a flower, of a plant. It's both. So let's break it down. This is a given name, female usually, pronounced as Jasmine. Now, you can either say it with a bit of a Z sound, a Z sound, Jasmine, or an S sound. It doesn't really matter. Jasmine. Most people say it's somewhere in between. Jasmine. Jasmine is how it's usually pronounced. How do you pronounce it yourself? More Jasmine or Jasmine or in between? Let us know in the comments. But in any case, stress on the first syllable, Jasmine. And that's for the plant and as a given name, Jasmine. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.